Hello everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. Union Minister M. Venkaiah Naidu, who assisted BJP's presidential candidate Ram Nath Kovind in his election campaign, may be named by the ruling party for Vice President. The BJP's top decision-making body is expected to meet this evening at 6 p.m. and announce a vice presidential candidate. As per sources, it is certain to be a person from southern India, where the party wants to strengthen its presence. But as of now, Mr. Naidu's nomination is not confirmed. That is because Prime Minister Narendra Modi has to decide whether he is ready to spare a cabinet minister. So far, Mr. Naidu has not displayed much zeal for the post. In fact, in May, he had jokingly said, "I neither want to become Rashtrapati nor do I want to become Uprashtrapati. I'm happy being Usha's pati." Usha is his wife. Last month, his denial was more emphatic. He was widely reported as saying, "Never am I going to participate in the vice presidential elections even if anyone compels me. Happiness for me is meeting people, being among them and serving them. I cannot let a ceremonial position keep me away from people." Maharashtra Governor C. Vidyasagar Rao is another name in circulation for the polls to be held on August 5. Like in the case of President, the BJP's Vice President nominee is also expected to sail through, with the backing of southern parties like AIADMK, Telangana Rashtra Samiti and YSR Congress. PM Modi and BJP President Amit Shah discussed names last week. Sources say the BJP and its advisors have a clear set of requirements and Mr. Naidu checks most of the boxes, which include the ability to run smoothly the Rajya Sabha, where the Vice President is chairman and where the government is currently in a minority, and belief in the core values of BJP and its ideological mentor, the RSS. Opposition parties last week named as their vice presidential candidate Gopal Krishna Gandhi, a former governor who was also briefly considered by them for the post of president. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.